Good morning. My name is Nisi. I live in Zone 7B in Maryland, and I'm on the deck this morning because I'm going to pull some watermelons. I pulled my um, potatoes the other day. What a flop. I got three tiny potatoes, and I said I was going to continue to look through the container because it's huge to see if there's any other potatoes in there. But I think it was a fail. So next time I'm going to do seed potatoes because those I got from the grocery store. And I know they probably spray something on them, but I thought that I got organic. So maybe organic doesn't matter. Who knows? Anyway, today, I'm going to pull these watermelons because I think it's time for them to go. But what I'm actually out here to cut today is this crimson sweet. So it hasn't put on any more growth, but then I also noticed this little doodle thing has died out. So I think it's time to pull this. So I am going to cut this one and bring it in. So I'm going to take my pruners, cut this baby free. It's too heavy to pick up with one hand. Okay, we're going to pick it up with both hands. How about that? Here she is. Okay, this is the watermelon. We're going to take it inside and cut it now. Okay, I've got the watermelon in the house facing me. So I'm going to cut it. We are hopeful. Just going to cut it down the middle. Ooh. Okay, looks good. Okay, let's taste it. Pieces already. So good. Oh my god, it's so good. Oh, okay. So geeked right now, like girl water. It tastes good. Oh my gosh. It's so exciting. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm not doing a good job of like cutting it pretty, but I know, buddy. Okay. Okay. I feel amazing. I feel like I grew a watermelon. Okay, I feel amazing right now. This is delicious. Listen, this is delicious. Okay. I feel like a superhero right now. I am a superhero. You know why? Because I grew. Oh my gosh. I grew a watermelon. I don't know what else you're doing. What are you doing with your life? What are you doing with your life if you're not growing watermelon? I feel amazing. I feel amazing. I don't know another word to characterize what I'm feeling right now. This is delicious. This is breakfast. Cutting it up, eating it right now. I said I was going to make a watermelon salad. I might not do anything, but just eat this watermelon as it is. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry. This is a crimson sweet. Its harvest day was yesterday. I was expecting it to get a lot bigger, but cut it as it is. It's sweet. It's delicious. Girl watermelon. Okay, this is delicious. I might try to make watermelon salad because I have some fresh mint. Okay, I'm just so excited right now. Okay, I'm gonna make a watermelon salad. This is good. Just this. Just eat it. Just like this. You don't need to do anything. Perfect. God made this. God made this. And I helped it along. Okay. Okay, we're gonna take some of this mint. For our watermelon salad. Just gonna use this much because small pieces. We're not making a full salad, but just some. Okay. I'm just gonna like take a little bit and show you guys how I make watermelon salad because I just want to eat this as it is. I'm not gonna eat this. I'm just gonna cut it up. You can take the seeds out. I'm not gonna take the seeds out. Some watermelon. Take your fresh mint. And let me get some watermelon, fresh mint, a little feta, which is what this is. And some balsamic vinegar. And you can also put a little fresh cracked pepper, which I usually do, but not today. Let's see. Too much. Okay. This is my watermelon salad. This is what it looks like. You can eat it just like this with your fork. I just wanted you to show you how I make this. And I am going to eat this, but I do not want to ruin this. This is perfect. This is perfect. This is perfect. Okay. That's it for today, guys. I was just going to put my watermelon and show you guys. And I was like, I hope it comes out good. It came out amazing. So that's it for today. Bye.